Hi everyone, my name is Mahendra Shinde. I'm Assistant Manager, DevOps and Delivery at Synergetics. And now I'm talking about cloud platform AWS, Amazon Web Services. AWS is one of the top cloud vendor, and it provides different types of services. They have a catalog that includes services where you as a system administrator, as a cloud administrator can set up and use your own infrastructure, and as a developer you can build applications and deploy them directly. The platform as a services PaaS catalog, and it now has different services for AI, ML, machine learning, etc. We have quite few AWS certifications available now, like you could certify for AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner, which is for IaaS, Infrastructure as a Services certification. You can certify for AWS Certified DevOps Engineer, which covers DevOps, version control systems, CI/CD workflows, etc. You can also go for AI, or you can also go for application architect or cloud architect certifications, etc. We at Synergetics, we have delivered quite few certification programs for some of our top clients, and even now if you visit our website, you will find several certification programs might already be listed over there. So please feel free to visit our website, or subscribe to our YouTube channel, or follow us on LinkedIn, where you will find all the new program announcement. Thank you very much.